So good day, lovers of STEM. A couple of weeks ago, I had posted about my new exam grading strategy where, since the students now upload their exams to GradeScope, I am able to grade everything electronically online. So I give them the paper copy of their exam back, along with giving them the solution before I ever return their grade. And I tell them to review the solution and grade their exam and return it to me. And based upon my grade and their grade, I decide how much grace and mercy they're going to get. Remember, I don't curve, so I give grace and mercy, unmerited favor, and withholding punishment you may deserve. I've now done this twice. I did it on midterm 2 and 3, and I'm really regretting that I didn't think to do it on midterm 1. What have been the results of this analysis? I did have some professors ask, how did it go? Great. First, I now am guaranteeing that they are actually reviewing the solution and reflecting on what they did correctly and what they missed. A lot of times students will come to me to discuss a bad grade on an exam. They never even reviewed the solution or did any critical analysis of what they missed and why they missed it. Although I always gave them an exam review sheet that talks about, did you miss this problem because you misunderstood the question? Did you make a math error? Was there a theoretical concept you didn't understand? A lot of times they showed up and it was apparently obvious that they had not done that analysis. Well, now, because they are required to do it to even be considered for grace and mercy, they're all reviewing the exam, critically thinking about what they missed because they have to think about how many points to deduct. The main thing I noticed between midterm 2 and midterm 3 is that some students, not all, took it way more seriously now that they know they got extra points, and more of them had a grade that was in 2 to 5 points of what I gave them. There are still some who are grading themselves too hard. There are still some who are grading themselves too easily. And there are still some who are just writing down any old number, which shows me they're not really thinking about what was the mistake and how many points is that actually worth. So the question is, will I continue this practice? Absolutely. Because now, grading their exam before I ever return their grade has become a new steady strategy for them. Because the final exam for this course, which is tomorrow, is cumulative. And I tell them to review all past exams and quizzes, homework, and labs to get ready for the final. And I at least now guarantee that they have reviewed their midterms. It'll continue next quarter. I will continue to take the data. And maybe if I get some interesting results, I'll turn it into some kind of paper. Who knows? Thanks for listening. Thanks for appreciating and engaging. Stay STEMtastic.